हेलो। आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज के बारे में। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज was developed by Guido von Rossum. This programming language Python is based on two programming languages. First is ABC language and the second is Modula 3. ABC language is the replacement of a programming language called BASIC, and Python is based on these two programming languages, ABC language and Modula 3. Python is very easy to use, easy to learn, and very powerful object oriented programming language. Python is very high level programming language, and Python is most popular programming language in 2019-20 after JavaScript. JavaScript was ranked first in 2019-20 and Python was ranked second in 2019-20 in the list of programming languages. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट पाइथन पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स। अगर पाइथन के पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स के बारे में हम बात करें देन फर्स्ट इज़ ईजी टू यूज़। पाइथन इज़ वेरी ईजी टू यूज़ बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स लेस सिंटैक्स, शॉर्ट सिंटैक्स। सेकंड, it is very expressive programming language. Third, it is interpreted programming language and Python uses interpreter for the high level source code to machine code conversion. Next, Python can be said complete, and it is the positive points of Python that it shows completeness in the terms of its libraries, modules, etc. Python is a cross-platform language, and it is a platform independent programming language. Next, Python uses variety of applications like machine learning, artificial intelligence, desktop applications, mobile applications, web applications, etc. And the next positive point of Python, it is the most important positive point that it is free and open source. So anyone, everyone can use it, can download it from the internet and can use it. Okay, these are the positive points of Python. And now let's talk about some negative points about Python programming language. So the first negative point is that Python is not the fastest programming language among all the available programming languages. So if we compare about Python programming language and C++ or C language, then Python is very much slower than C++ and C language. Second negative point is Python has lesser libraries than C, C++, Java and Perl languages. सो अगर हम आज की बात करें तो धीरे धीरे पाइथन की लाइब्रेरीज धीरे धीरे अपडेट होती जा रही है. सो दिस इज़ नॉट वेरी मच नेगेटिव इन द सेंस ऑफ यूज. नेक्स्ट, it is not easily convertible. So this is the negative point actually, because Python, any source code written in the Python programming language cannot be converted to other programming languages like C, C++, Java, because of their larger syntax. It is not easily convertible. Python programming language के अंदर लिखे गए source code को हम easily दूसरी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस जिनके सिंटैक्स आर लार्जर देन द पाइथन हम इजीली कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते. दिस इज़ द नेगेटिव पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट इज नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग टाइप बाइंडिंग. सो पाइथन डज नॉट सपोर्ट टू स्ट्रॉन्ग टाइप बाइंडिंग. वी कैन easily use, we can assign any float value to the integer variable and any integer variable to the float variable. So Python does not support any strong type binding. So these were the negative points about Python. So in this video we completely discussed about the basic introduction about Python programming language, what are the positive points of Python and the negative points of Python programming language. In the next video, we will discuss about the fundamentals of Python programming language. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to get the notifications of the in future videos. Thank you.